Alright, so today we're going to be looking at another platform where you can use the Werydance 2.0, and these are all of different outputs. We have the text to video outputs. We also have the image to video outputs. And you can also use the video references to continue that shot or to make changes to that particular video. And it also supports the multi-angle shots. And as we all know that right now, this is the best AI video generation tool. So let me show you how to access this and what are its use cases. So basically, it comes in two different versions. We have the Werydance 2.0, which is the Pro model, and we have the Werydance 2.0 Fast, which is going to be the fastest model, but you will be compromised on the quality. And here we have the option for the prompt bar. You can also control the aspect ratio, and then we can switch between the duration, and the maximum duration is 15 seconds. I don't know why this is not showing over here. Maybe it's some kind of glitch. Don't know. Then you can also switch between the quality, maximum is the 720p, and you can also generate 4 outputs at once, which is a great option. Next, we have control over the audio and visibility. These are all of different settings. So let me show you some of the results that I have generated previously. So let's start with this prompt. A high-action scene of a samurai fighting with a monster, multiple angles. It's an action movie sequence. This is only 5 seconds long video. But there are a lot of different things are happening in this scene. We have multiple shots. Then I tried image to video, which is the strength of this model. And look at this output. This is starting with this is an opening scene where 2 warriors are meeting at the broken, bridge. And then they start fighting with each other. And the camera is like continuously changing. The camera angles are changing. But the consistency, the character consistency, and the consistency in the video remains there. And this is the strength of this model. And surprisingly, this model is much faster on the Very.ai because I haven't seen the outputs coming out so fast from any other different website. So if you want the quick results, this is super quick. Then I wanted to create something in a sequence, maybe like a movie. So this was the first output where a woman opens her eyes and she finds herself lost into a frozen jungle and she doesn't know where she came from. But when she looks around, there are stone figures, but these stone figures are actually humans that has been turned into these stones, but she doesn't know. Then for the next scene, I jumped over to a different perspective again. She opens her eyes. I wanted something cinematic, and you can see we have multiple different angles. The camera is continuously changing, and this is looking like a straight out of Hollywood movie because not just the camera angles are impressive, but also the character remains consistent. So this is amazing. And next, she gets up and find that there are a lot of different stone figures, and she doesn't know that these are humans. She touched one of them, and she's confused. And look at that man. We have multiple different angles. We have multiple different shots, but the character remains consistent. This is amazing. This is crazy, man. Using this tool, you can generate a complete movie that is, at the Hollywood level. And here's another shot. But this one impressed me more because we have more dynamic motion in this one. More camera angles, and this is making more sense. Like, look at this. This is just insane. And again, the continuation of the shot. She looks around and finds out that everybody has been turned into this tone, and the camera angle is again continuously changing, and at last, she's looking lost. She finds a lot of different things, and she starts walking towards the woods. So this was a very short sequence, very short film. This was just to show you that this tool can actually generate a short films, even a long films if you want to. And another cool feature about this tool is that you can add the video references, and you can also edit the videos. So for that, we have to click on the video to video section. And now we need to upload any video. So for example, we have this video over here. Now let's give it a prompt, like she's looking around, then she finds a monster, and when she looks at the monster, she turns into a stone. So we are just basically continuing that main shot. So let's hit create, and let's see what that gives us. So this is the results. We have some kind of morphing in this one. Maybe this is not using the Werydance 2.0 model. That is why we are seeing these kind of weird results. But yeah, it also supports the video to video. And surprisingly, the output results are really fast. So this is the website interface. Here is the website. You'll find the link in the description below. Definitely go ahead and check this out if you want to access Werydance 2.0 with fastest results. And that's it from today. See you in the next one.